What's up, you mother truckers and truckettes? Happy High Five Friday. What's going on, guys? So, you know the deal. We got the FlogBox. Let's see what we got. And let me tell you guys, this month, for March, it's freaking heavy. I went to go pick this thing up and bring it in the house. I grabbed it, I'm like, what the? That's a heavy sumo gun. 20-pounder. I had to throw this thing on the scale. Can't wait to see what's inside for 20 pounds. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Oh man. Up first, we got, oh man, this is pretty badass, but it's a large, extra large. I got me a baby head. Might be able to rock it. Not as big as the normally. Normally I'm a small medium. Yep, small medium normally. But I like it. I like it. Let's see what else we got in here now. Look at this. Look at some fancy packing they got going on in here, guys. Oh, so I already see what's in here. And this is freaking awesome, guys. This is really freaking cool. This is gonna come in handy, especially anybody that knows me. This here will open up in a couple minutes. Save that for last. Dude, real quick, let me just start by saying I'm huge on how things are packed. When you get something shipped to you and it's packed right, it doesn't matter if the boxes get dinged up or whatever. I mean, these guys pack stuff right, using wood to space this stuff up so it doesn't bounce all around. Primo. Nuts and bolts. Alright, you guys ready for this? This is it. They sent a sticker. No, I'm just kidding. They did send a sticker though. Work Demon. Nice. But here's where the real thing is. This is freaking awesome, guys. So when I ordered one of their bumpers, I got a full-size one of these. This one here looks like a miniature version. And this is freaking awesome because this here will be a little bit easier to pack up and bring with me when I go somewhere. So anybody that knows me knows when it's a nice spring, summer, fall night, I love to come home, light up a bonfire, enjoy a cigar, a little bit of whiskey on the rocks. So this here, guys, is a portable fire pit. Actually, technically, this is how you'll see it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these pieces, and they go in a big octagon shape. I'll put this together. It's raining outside tonight. Let me see if I have room in the basement down here to put it together. I'll take a video of it in a little bit if I can. But these things are awesome, guys. So this is gonna be really cool when this is all put up. You see it's got the flames in it. It's got the logo on the bottom corner. And then it's awesome because they even send you the hardware to put it together, and they're wing nuts. So like I said, it's for, you know, pack it up, bring it with you if you're going to the park, to the beach, to someone's house and they don't have a fire pit, pack this bad boy up. All fits together. Bolts. You got a portable fire pit, bring it anywhere you want. So I'll get this up, we'll get a measurement of how big it is, and it looks awesome. And then last we got this month's poster. Looks good. I like it. I actually just looked at this truck on the Instagram page that they just posted a new video of it with that bumper. You guys gotta check out that truck. It actually looks pretty cool with this bumper. They put a light bar inside the in the front. Looks real cool. Cool, guys. So that's this month's Flog box. So that's it, guys. This here is the March box, 20-pounder March box. She's a big girl. She's a heavy one, but she's awesome. So, and you know what? I just thought of this. I didn't even show you guys the freaking awesome hat. This is the hat, right? Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see that real well or not. They got the Flog logo cut out. I believe he said that was stainless. They got it riveted through. Rivets come through on the back side, and you can't feel it. Hey Nate, if you're out there, man, small, medium, if you got one, let's do a little flopperoo, would ya? I got baby head, man. You might want to put me down for small, medium for future hats. If you don't mind, I'd appreciate it. Anyways, guys, great hat. Awesome, nice, they're comfortable. You got the fire pit. You got the Work Demon sticker. And you got this month's poster. What more can you ask for? Make sure you guys go over to flogindustries.com, sign up for their monthly box. Check out my Instagram. I'll get a picture if I don't get this put up somewhere tonight inside so I can get a video of it, picture of it or something. Then I will make sure to get a picture and dimensions and everything posted on Instagram by the next night out. So Sunday, I think it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. It's raining outside right now, I can hear it. So we'll try to get you a picture if I don't get it put up in a video of it before then. So thanks again, guys. If you don't mind, you know, do the old, maybe leave a little something down below. And you know, remember, ain't nothing to it but to do it. See you next time. Hey guys. Oh yeah, how's it going tonight? Got the fire going in the basement. It's nice. It's warm. Got my warm Flog hoodie, Sherpa on the inside. Got my Flog koozie to keep my beer cold. So, the fire pit. She is come on, there she is. 27.5 inches across by 9 inches tall. I'd say this is the perfect traveling size, guys. Nice, easy. It took me like what? Not even like 5 minutes to put it up, maybe 3, but whew, perfect, guys, perfect. I'll tell you what, Perfect cigar would be good right now. Nice Cubana. Enjoy this fire all night long. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Until next time, enjoy life. It's too short.